The increased US presence in the Indo-Pacific is bound to rile China, which may attempt to counter the US ships, making the waters of the South China Sea volatile and vulnerable to a naval conflict. Speaking at the 2018 Military Industry List Summit, Rear Admiral Lo Yuan, who is also the deputy head of the Chinese Academy of Military Sciences, stated that the ongoing disputes on the ownership of the East and South China Seas can be effectively resolved by sinking to American aircraft carriers. The military expert was quoted as saying that China has the capability of hitting US carriers by its new and highly proficient anti-ship ballistic and cruise missiles. For the Chinese expert, having casualties is the biggest fear of the US, and therefore China should sink the aircraft carriers of the US. The loss of one super carrier would cost the US the lives of 5,000 servicemen and women. Sinking two would double that toll. We will see how frightened America is, he had said. But sinking a carrier easier said than done. The US carriers, which are equipped with the latest radars, decoys, and anti-missile systems, will be able to counter any attack. While its adversaries, such as China and Russia, are also developing such systems, attacking and destroying an aircraft carrier can prove to be quite a difficult task. The US aircraft carriers are over 1,000 feet long, and most of them are as tall as multi-story buildings, having 25 decks. Many believe that the huge size of the carrier makes them vulnerable to attacks. However, experts are of the opinion that the sheer size of the US aircraft carriers makes them more resilient in comparison to any other warship. A report by Forbes highlighted that the US aircraft carriers have a large number of watertight compartments, along with thousands of tons of armoring and redundancy built into major onboard systems such as the electrical wiring. Thus, if one weapon may cause damage to the carrier, it will not cause the carrier to sink. Any such damage can be worked upon by the crew, and the carrier can continue in its mission with ease. The report listed many advantages of US carriers, which make them quite unsinkable. Apart from their sheer size, the carriers move at a fast speed, which is greater than many submarines. The Nimitz-class carriers can reportedly move at speeds of 35 miles per hour and can, therefore, move to anywhere within a 700 square mile area within 30 minutes, making the targeting of the carrier a difficult task. Further, the nuclear propulsion of the Nimitz class and the expected Ford-class carriers enable them to execute deceptive maneuvers in any direction. The carriers are also armed with the F-A-18 and F-35 advanced sensors and other precision-guided weapons. The radar planes on board the carriers are also expected to track threats hundreds of miles away. Thank you everyone for watching this video.